Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a watch list on eToro. So first of all, open a web browser and type in etoro.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're also logged into your etoro.com by entering its correct credentials. Once you're logged into the etoro.com website, go ahead and click on the watchlist dropdown. To create a new watchlist, click on Create New List button. Now, go ahead and enter a new name for your new watchlist. Once done, click on Create New List. And now, go ahead and add instruments for the watchlist. Click the plus button right next to the instrument, and then you'll be able to add the selected instrument or your favorite assets into your watchlist. Click on Done once you are done, and there you have your new watchlist displayed on the screen. You can remove your assets anytime from your selected watchlist. To switch between your watchlist, click the watchlist drop-down at the top and click on All Watchlist, and you'll be able to see all of your watchlist on the page. Select the watchlist you want to switch to, and there you go. That's how you create a watchlist on eToro easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.